So just to update you what we've been doing in the body shop, we've been really busy getting this DB4 Vantage done, which is a pretty rare car. We think only a couple have been painted in this colour with this spec, so it had a Webasto roof on as well. But this is Roman purple, which is David Brown's favourite colour actually, according to some references we found. So it's a pretty special car, it's a pretty special colour. It looks really good in sort of the evening times when the sun's set, when we did our test sprays. That looked really nice. So quite nice to do a different colour actually on an Aston. We do sort of the common ones quite a lot, but this is nice to do something quite unique. So we've been doing lots of body work. It had a restoration before, and for some reason, rather than weld the sill sections in properly, they just pop rooted them on, which is ridiculous. But anyway, we fixed that now for the customer. Bare metal the rest of the car, made sure that it was properly treated for anti-corrosion. All that jazz that needs to be done on these kind of cars, so that was good. And then we did obviously all the repairs and the filler work and stuff. But originally it came in because this front end, the brakes failed on the car, and this front end got damaged, so we've replaced this front end. This has all been done around here. So whilst we were at it, we did full bare metal respray, which was nice. There's a few bits in the floor as well which needed replacing, which we've done. And then the other thing is having a new interior. It's actually got some really nice seats. I think they're amazing. They've got really old patina on them. But then the rest of the carpets and stuff will all be replaced, so it'll look nice, but it'll still have that old feel to it. So I look forward to showing some pictures when we finish polishing and rebuild the interior.